Hello, I'm Dr. Bill, and this is your 5-minute micro learning AI for good or for bad. In the last micro learning, I talked about how AI is changing lean management, enhancing efficiency, streamlining workflows, and enabling predictive decision making. Today, I'd like to continue and talk about AI and reskilling, why augmentation beats full automation, and how many companies see AI as just a way to cut costs and maximize profits. Some even ask, why not replace workers entirely? Wouldn't that be more efficient? That's the wrong sustainable approach. AI doesn't just operate in a vacuum. The reality is that full automation often leads to hidden costs, operational risks, lost expertise, and even ethical and legal challenges. The companies that thrive in AI area will be those that focus on augmentation skills, where AI enhances human work rather than replacing it outright. Understanding hidden costs from unpredictability, system failures, brand and customer trust. Dealing with legal, ethical, and regulatory risks of full automation. Increasing business agility and workforce resilience and ability to attract top talent. For augmentation to succeed, workers need new skills to remain essential, adaptable, and competitive in AI-driven industries that make them sustainable. So let's explore 5 critical reskilling needs that define the future of work. 1. Enhance workflow management. Why does it matter? AI automates routine decisions, but humans must oversee, adjust, and refine AI-driven processes to prevent inefficiencies and failures. The reskilling focus here is learning how AI assigns tasks, detects inefficiencies, optimizes processes dynamically. Developing real-time decision-making skills to intervene when AI predictions don't align with reality. Strengthening troubleshooting and operational agility in AI-integrated workplaces. Example, a logistics supervisor once manually scheduled deliveries. Now AI optimizes routes in real time. But when supply chain disruptions occur, the supervisor must override AI recommendations and make human-led adjustments to prevent system-wide failures. 2. AI literacy and data interpretation. Why does it matter? AI provides insights, but humans interpret, validate, and apply AI-generated data effectively. The reskilling focus here is understanding how AI models generate insights and their limitations, learning basic data analysis to verify AI-driven recommendations before acting on them, recognizing bias and ethical concerns in AI outputs and decision-making. 3. Human-centered problem-solving and critical thinking. Why does it matter? AI automates repetitive tasks, but humans are needed to solve non-routine problems and handle exceptions. The reskilling focus here is strengthening decision-making in high-stakes, unpredictable situations, learning how to identify and mitigate AI-driven risk when models fail, developing adaptability for problem-solving beyond AI's program responses. Example, an AI-driven hiring system flags a candidate as high risk due to missing employment history, but a human hiring manager identifies extenuating circumstances, for example, military service, and makes a fair hiring decision. 4. AI collaboration and cross-disciplinary teamwork. Why does it matter? AI affects multiple business functions. Employees must be able to work across teams to ensure AI is implemented effectively. The reskilling focus here is learning to collaborate with AI engineers, business leaders, frontline workers. Understand how AI impacts different departments and cross-functional processes. Developing communication skills to translate AI insights into business strategy. 5. Reskilling for career mobility and AI-augmented leadership. Why does it matter? AI will reshape jobs. Companies must reskill workers into high-value roles, not replace them. The reskilling focus here is identifying adjacent skills that help workers transition into AI-enhanced roles, training employees for augmented leadership, strategic oversight, and ethical AI governance, offering career mobility programs that prepare employees for higher value AI-integrated positions. A quick self-reflection exercise here, AI and reskilling in your workplace. How can companies ensure AI enhances rather than replaces human expertise? What reskilling programs are needed in your industry to support AI augmentation? What new leadership skills are necessary for managing AI-human collaboration? AI is a tool, not a replacement for human exercise or expertise. The companies that thrive won't be those that cut jobs for automation, but those that reskill their workforce for AI augmentation roles. AI doesn't remove the need for human workers, it redefines its value. The key isn't AI versus human, it's AI plus human equals a more adaptive, resilient future. You heard it here. I'm Dr. Bill 360. Check out the full case study on drbill360.net.